Hello everybody, welcome to KSI Data Research. In this video I am going to show how you can add the code line number at the edit page. Okay, code edit page. And also I am going to show how you can modify or change the font at the code edit page as well as the console or results page as well. So let's do it. First we'll add the code line number into the SQL server. So this is the SQL server. First you have to go to the tool and option, and here you go to the text edit. Okay, so click on the text edit, open it, and then you will see transact SQL. Okay, so click it. As soon as you click it, you see the right side under the display there is a line number. Okay, check this box, the line number box here, and then just say OK. So right now you can see it is created the line number. Okay, so this line number is very important because when we create or write down the code over here, if there is any mistake, it will tell you the which line you have the mistake, so then easily you will be able to trackable. So that's why this line number is very important at the SQL Server edit page. Alright, so now how you can modify the size of the edit page code. So if I just write select, so let's go back to go on the top side. Okay, right here select all from employee. Okay, so here I know this is under the database of HR schema. Alright, so now you can see select all from employee. Here the size is a moderate size. If you wanted to make it bigger, the font is bigger or smaller, there are three different ways you can do that. First of all, you just hold the control and on your mouse, you hold the control on your mouse, there is a wheel, you can rotate the wheel up and down so it can make it bigger and smaller. Okay, you can do that. This is one way. So what are the other way? One is you can see on the bottom, so there is a percentage, like right now 161%. You can click over here. If you go to the 70%, is going to be very small, or if you go to the 100% like that. So you can modify by clicking from this percentage sign on the here. These are the two way. Okay, what are the other way you can do it? So if you go to the tool option, go to the environment, under the environment there is a font and color. You click it, font and color, and then you can see the show setting on the text edit, and over here you can see the size. So if you just put the size, any bigger size, if you want to 20, so then if you say OK, see how big it is now, it's 20. The font size is 20 right now. So you can also do it by changing from the font and color. Okay, so also if you just wanted to do it would be moderate size, would be like 8 or 9, and then you can also change the background color or other kind of modification, but mainly the font size is very important. Yeah, so you can do it from here. Okay, so just say okay. So this is the font size is 9 right now. Alright, so this is the edit page. Okay, this is the edit page. How about the results or console? So if you just execute here, you can see the results page on the bottom. You can see over here this console. You can also change the size of the font also. How you can do that? You have to go to the again tool option, and you come to the same font and color, same on this page, and then here the show the setting for, you need to modify, you need to change in right here. Okay, so if you go down and if you go to the it is on the grid results. Okay, if you put the grid results, and then if you put if you wanted to do a big size, like a 20, then it's okay. So you change the following category are saved. Some changes may not appear until you restart the application, so you have to close it and open it again, then you will see the results. Okay, so I'm closing. No. Okay, so I'm closing and opening again the SQL server. So connect again. So now if I go over here and say, then now if I write again, select all from employees, I have to change the database over here. So now if I run this, you'll see the results page will be, the font would be bigger now. See, you can see now. So the font of the results, or this console page, is the font size is 20 right now. So you can go back and make it to the like 9, 10, so that would be in a good size for the font. You can also do that. But if you wanted to change any font for edit page and then results page, there is a place. Now you know what to go and change it. From the option you do that. Alright, so there are 3 things I have shown on this right here. Right now, I hope this will help you guys. Sometime if you need to modify, you can do it. So thank you for watching this video.